Hi friends, today we're at 1033 Wedgewood Drive in Woodway, Texas. This home is 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's got a huge living space and a little office nook. Beautiful updates throughout this home. I'm so excited for you to see it. Let's check it out. Come on in. Headed from the front door, got a nice little entryway landing. Leads us into this large living space. There's so much room in here. Got this really cool little office nook cut out. Could make it a little library space or play space, but everybody works from home sometimes these days, so having a nice dedicated office space is so nice. So many updates throughout this home. We've got this stunning engineered hardwood throughout, updated paint, lighting, fixtures, can lights throughout this whole space. Got a beautiful brick fireplace, access to the backyard. So much room in here. We'll head into the dining and kitchen space over here. Again, some really lovely updates in here with this updated countertop, paint, large kitchen. We've got a double oven, trash compactor, all the things you need. Tons of space in this room. We've got our eat-in dining space, big table in here, so lots of room. And back this way we do have our third full bathroom is kind of combined with the laundry space, but it's so functional and so spacious in here. We have full laundry setup and a sink. And then in here we've got a walk-in shower and restroom. Let's go check out all the bedrooms. We're back at the front entry, and down this hallway we have all 3 of the bedrooms. First bedroom off to the left here, good sized closet, great guest space. Got our extra coat closet here. A little bit further down the hallway we've got the full bath on this side of the house. So really fun flooring, tub shower combo, lots of beautiful updates in here. And this one is ensuite to our second guest bedroom. Really pretty bedroom back here. Tons of natural light in all these spaces and a great walk-in closet over here. That's a little awesome playroom currently. Let's head over and check out the primary bedroom. Oh, I don't want to forget these beautiful built-ins at the end of this hallway. So lots of drawers and storage. Head into this primary bedroom, really spacious in here, lots of room for big furniture. We've got a closet out in this main space and another 2 closets out in this main space and a closet in the primary bathroom. Head into this primary bathroom. Again, we've got our laundry basket hamper right here with lots of cabinet storage, 2 sinks in here, and then a 3rd closet for this primary bedroom. Tub shower combo, it's all original, stunning tile. Such good condition. Let's go check out the backyard. So we head out into the back driveway space. We've got the driveway that comes off of the main road, but tons of driveway to use and lots of concreted space out here. So plenty of room for scooters, bikes. Could put a swing on this tree easily. And then she's got this lovely patio seating area set up over here in the side yard. So I've got some chairs with the fire pit set up, and then a nice little patio space right here. Really lovely out here at night when the sun was setting. When I came last week, it was really pretty. I love this home. If you have any more questions or you want to take a look, just let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.